If you wanted to know how to remove invisible filter on TikTok, then this is the right video for you. So let's go into the TikTok here. Make sure that you are using the latest version of TikTok. And here, let's say if I go to the search bar and here I type invisible filter, and you can see that if you want to apply this filter, you can just click the filter and you can just click on the use the effect here, and after that you can use this effect to create a video. But how you can remove the invisible filter, right? As you can see, there is so many videos available here, but how you can remove it? Well guys, this is not possible to remove any of the videos, because you will see many kind of videos on the YouTube, but perfectly it is not possible to remove a filter, right? Because this is what TikTok filter says, and this is not right for you to just remove the filter, and this is not even possible. So this is it guys. I hope you found this video really helpful, and if you did like this video right now, make sure to subscribe channel. See you guys in the next video. Till that time, take care, goodbye.